The upcoming Galaxy S25 Edge is turning out to be more exciting than many expected, especially with new details emerging about its display. A recent leak from Ice Universe on Weibo suggests that this ultra-thin smartphone will feature a 2K resolution screen, likely the same 1440x3120 panel found in the Galaxy S25 Plus. This comes as a surprise as early reports indicated that Samsung might go with a lower Full HD Plus resolution to improve battery efficiency. Since the Galaxy S25 Edge is designed to be incredibly slim, some concerns remain about how much battery life it can offer. Higher resolution screens typically require more power, and many assume Samsung would lower the resolution to help extend battery performance. However, if the device can maintain an all-day battery life, even with a 1440p display, it's a promising sign for those interested in a high-end viewing experience. That said, some users believe the difference between Quad HD and Full HD Plus isn't very noticeable in everyday use, while those who prioritize longer battery life might not mind a lower resolution. Having a sharper display on such a slim device is still a welcome addition. Another highlight of the latest leak is that the Galaxy S25 Edge will feature a titanium alloy midframe, similar to the Galaxy S25 Ultra. This choice should make the phone feel more premium while keeping it lightweight and durable. It is also rumored to come in 3 color options: titanium icy blue, titanium silver, and titanium jet black. Performance-wise, the phone is expected to be powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite processor, the same chip used across the entire S25 lineup. It will be paired with 12 GB of RAM, ensuring smooth multitasking and fast performance. The 6.7-inch AMOLED screen will support a 120Hz refresh rate, making scrolling and animations feel incredibly fluid. One of the standout features of the Galaxy S25 Edge is its camera. Despite its slim design, it is rumored to house a powerful 200-megapixel main sensor, similar to the one found in the Galaxy S25 Ultra. This should result in excellent image quality, even if the overall camera system isn't as advanced as the Ultra model. However, to keep the phone as thin as possible, Samsung has reportedly removed the dedicated telephoto lens. Instead, the phone will rely on computational photography to improve zoomed-in shots. While optical zoom from a physical lens usually provides better results, Samsung's software-based zoom enhancements have significantly improved over the years. For many users, this trade-off might not be a major issue. Durability won't be sacrificed either, as the Galaxy S25 Edge is expected to come with an IP68 rating, making it resistant to dust and water. This ensures that users get a stylish yet reliable device that can handle everyday conditions. With its high-resolution display, powerful processor, and sleek design, the Galaxy S25 Edge is shaping up to be a solid choice for those looking for a premium flagship phone. However, some questions remain about battery life and whether software-based zoom can truly replace a dedicated telephoto lens. What do you think about the Galaxy S25 Edge? Does the lack of a telephoto camera change your opinion, or is the ultra-thin design more important? Let me know in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.